Hey, how you guys doing? Welcome back to J Luther TV. Back at you guys with another reaction. Hey, how you guys doing? Welcome back to J Luther TV, and I'm back at you guys with another reaction. Now we'll be reacting to BJ Thomas, "Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head." Man, this one been highly requested for a while now, and I'm extremely excited. When I seen this in my request, I started to laugh because it is raining and storming. I don't know if you guys can hear that lightning or thunder. Yeah, it is going down out here. But this is the perfect day to listen to this song. I actually kind of love the rain because it's therapeutic for me. Just hearing the sounds of thunder and lightning, it makes me feel good. But yeah, with no further ado, let's get right into it.
Raindrops are falling on my head, and just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun, and I said I didn't like the way he got things done, sleeping on the job. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. But there's one thing I know, the blues they send to meet me won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free.
I feel so at peace listening to this song. I feel so at peace. His voice is very soothing. It feels like raindrops. It gives you that kind of... It's like his voice is in the raindrops, and you can just feel it. I'm loving this song right here, man. I don't know if you got... So, Spider-Man 3 came out when I believe I was about 11 years old. Spider-Man 3, the third Spider-Man, came out with Tobey Maguire. And I believe when Spider-Man lost his abilities and he had to wear his glasses again, this is what I think this song was playing. I'm starting to get a nostalgic feeling. I don't know why, but I believe that this song was playing on Spider-Man now. I was trying to process the song in my head, but he was having such a good time being Peter Parker again when he lost his abilities. And this is the song that played. This is a beautiful song, man. Raindrops keep falling on my head. Wow, man. I don't know. I feel so good. I'm low-key scared to stop it. Start it again because I know that it's going to end soon. And I feel so at peace listening to this. Let me pull it back up a little bit.
Because I'm free, nothing's worrying me.
I'm free, nothing's worrying me.
It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me.
Wow, I love the meaning of this song. I love the meaning of this song. He's not gonna stop the raindrops by complaining. Because he's happy and he's free. I love that. I need to apply this to my life. You know, even though there's a storm, that sometimes there can be a storm over my head. I just gotta live my life worry free and happy. It's a lot that I want to say, but I have a lot more videos to make, so I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. And if you did, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's continue to grow. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next video. Love you guys.